Hello friends, how are you? So today in this video, we will going to learn the 11 tips to work on your English. So here it is. Now the first tip to work or to improve your English is that you need to think in English. Now how you can do this? That in every 1 or 2 hours, give a job to your brain that you have to think in English. Like suppose if I'm in this room, then right now I can think 10 words in English related to room, like table, mobile, laptop, door, switchboards, wire, TV, cupboards, bed, couch, floor, mat. So this is the way you can think in English. Gradually you can move on to the second step, that you can think of the sentences also. If the word is very easy for you, then you can move on to the second stage, that you can think of the sentences in English. Okay, so in every 1 hour or in every 2 hour, try to think at least 10 words or 10 sentences in English. It's very important. Now second tip is that you need to speak English. If you really want to be a fluent speaker, then speaking English is the only and only option you have. Reading and listening won't help you so much. You need to speak whatever you are reading and whatever you are listening. It's very, very important. Like, you can't learn the swimming by reading swimming books. You need to jump in the pool. Similarly, for English speaking, you need to speak in English. The third tip is watch English movies. You can watch English movies with the subtitles. If it's very difficult for you initially, then do watch it with the subtitles and it will going to help you immensely. With the English movies, your accent will going to improve, your pronunciation, your confidence, and your fluency. Everything will goes hand in hand. The next one is talk to the customer care. Now, this is the very good tip if you have the problem of environment. If you don't know with whom I should communicate, then you can take the help of the customer care. Call to the customer care and just tell them, just choose the English option there and just discuss any of your problem. Means you can pretend, you can somehow fake your some of the problems and you can then communicate to the customer care. The fifth tip is discuss in English. Whatever you're discussing, try to discuss in English. Okay, whether with your mentor, whether with your friends, whether with your family, whether with your students. If you're a teacher, then try to discuss in English each and everything. Watch English talk shows. This is the amazing one. If you are not fond of movies, you can go with the talk shows like Coffee with Karan, okay, a round table concert with Rajiv Masan. So these are the things which you can watch and it will going to entertain you a lot. Okay. Read English comics. The next one which you can use or which you can take, it's an amazing if you are a fond of reading. You can start with the English comics also. Create groups. Fantastic one. You can create the groups on the WhatsApp, or else you can join some of the English clubs. Like you can join our English club. We have a WhatsApp English club where people just come and communicate with each other in English. Where we will share the activities, we will have fun. So you can join these type of groups to improve your English. Read newspaper loudly. Now, here I would say that whatever you are reading, read it loudly. Whether newspaper, books, or any other article which you are reading in the mobile, read loudly, clearly, and slowly. It will going to enhance your English very, very fastly. Tip number 10 is hum English songs. Hum means होता है गुनगुनाना. So instead of Hindi songs, just shift your activity towards the English song and listen good English songs on the YouTube and hum it. Initially, watch English songs with the lyrics. It will going to help you. It will going to help you a lot. And the tip number one is record your voice. As we are moving further, day by day, I will teach you that how to record the practices and send it to me. Okay, so record your voice and just be comfortable with your voice and be confident. Gradually, slowly and gradually, it will going to improve your confidence and your speaking also. So these are the 11 tips which I am sharing with you today. You can take any tip and you can practice over to that. And tomorrow we will meet in the next session of our English. Till then, do practice and keep speaking, keep listening, keep reading, and be connected with me. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.